Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss SQL store procedures. A store procedure is SQL command that can be stored for later use and can be used many times. Let's understand the store procedure with the help of the given select statement. This select statement will give us the product details of the product of a given database. If I have to write this query every time before extracting the data from the database, then my task will be time consuming, as I have to write the same query again and again, execute the product details from the database. And sometimes I might write the wrong query as well and extract incorrect information. So to avoid writing the same complex select query again and again, we will write a store procedure. Store procedure will convert our long SQL statement into a single code. And then we can execute that code to run our complex query. Remember, that will save our time and improve efficiency as well. Now, let's see how we can create the store procedure and convert our complex query into a single code. To create a store procedure, we will write create procedure and then give the procedure name sp score product as begin. And now we can just copy paste our select statement. So I will just copy this, press enter. Now write and close our statement. And now select the entire statement and click on execute. Command completed successfully. And now go to programmability, go to store procedure, and we can see that our store procedure with product details name has been created successfully. Okay, now to execute the store procedure, we will write execute and the name of the store procedure. Select the statement and click on execute. Now you can see that our original SQL statement has been executed successfully using the store procedure. So now we have learned how we can convert our complex query into a single code using store procedure. That will save time and avoid writing the same code again and again.